Roku devices sometimes fail to reconnect to Wi Fi after a factory reset due to a loss of saved network credentials, network authentication problems, signal interference, or firmware/hardware glitches. A reset clears cached data, which can expose underlying issues. This can happen even on modern devices like the Roku Ultra, Express 4K Plus, and Streambar Pro. Common causes include incorrect passwords, outdated security protocols like switching from WPA2 to WPA3, router settings blocking the device, or conflicts with other IoT devices. Start with the simplest solutions. Power cycle your Roku and router. Unplug both devices, wait 30 seconds, and plug them back in. On your Roku, go to Settings, Network, Setup Connection, Wireless. Forget the network and re-add it, carefully entering your password. Ensure your Roku is within 10 to 15 feet of the router to rule out signal strength issues. Newer Roku OS versions, like 13.5, include an automated network rejoin tool that can help resolve connection issues after a reset. To access it, navigate to Settings in your Roku interface. Then select Network from the menu options. The tool will automatically scan for available networks and attempt to re-authenticate your device. This can resolve many post-reset connection failures without requiring manual intervention. If basic fixes don't resolve your Roku's connectivity issues after a factory reset, it's time to dive into advanced troubleshooting by examining your router settings. First, access your router's web interface and ensure it's not blocking unknown devices. Many routers have security features that prevent new devices from connecting without approval. Next, verify that your router's security protocol is compatible with your Roku. Modern devices support WPA3, but if your router is set to WPA2, you may need to update for better security and connectivity. Check your router's logs for IP address conflicts, which can prevent proper network assignment. Look for entries showing duplicate IP addresses or DHCP errors. Finally, as a diagnostic step, try connecting your Roku directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. This bypasses Wi-Fi entirely and can help determine if the issue is wireless specific. Outdated Roku firmware can cause connectivity problems after a factory reset. To ensure your device has the latest software, navigate to the Settings menu. First, go to Settings from the home screen. The Settings menu will appear with various options on the left side. Then select System, followed by System Update. This will show your current firmware version and update options. Finally, choose Check Now to download and install any available updates. These updates often include fixes for Wi-Fi connectivity issues and compatibility improvements with modern networks. Keeping your Roku firmware up to date is essential for reliable connectivity and optimal performance. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and your Roku still won't connect, the issue may be with your internet service provider. ISP throttling or outdated router firmware can cause connection failures, especially after a reset. Contact your ISP to check for outages or router updates. Looking ahead, Roku connectivity is evolving with advanced technologies to minimize connection issues. AI-integrated troubleshooting will use voice assistants like Alexa to provide guided fixes, making it easier for users to resolve problems without technical knowledge. The adoption of Wi-Fi 6E and 7 standards will offer faster speeds and better reliability, especially in homes with multiple devices, reducing interference and connectivity drops. Built-in satellite internet support, compatible with services like Starlink, will ensure connectivity in rural or remote areas where traditional Wi-Fi is weak. Zero-touch setups will automatically configure networks, eliminating the need for manual resets and connections. Cloud-synced network profiles will store settings securely, allowing devices to reconnect seamlessly across different locations or after updates. Finally, proactive firmware updates and network management through app analytics will predict and prevent issues before they occur, ensuring optimal performance.